Hello my Facebook peeps, this is a BurcHowdy update. That is the Tornado. That's a toolbox for a truck, and the door warps when you get it up to hot. So I put some clamps on there, got the bong over here, pulling all those gases out of there, and it's got to go through the bong so those gases don't destroy my pump. And inside you can see, well, that's the temperature inside. It'll get up to about 360, 370 is where I'll keep it for another couple hours. It's already been in there for an hour and a half. The metal is really hot, but the inside temperature is not. And this batch, there's about 20 shafts in there. I put the crappy ones on the bottom just, to see what they do. They're already warped. But there's probably about 15 good ones on top of that, and that'll be the next BurcHowdy version 4 and 5 probably, where I'll be drilling out the ferrule end wider and deeper. I just haven't figured out how much, so because until I see how torrified I can get these things, and I just haven't decided yet. It's a builder's prerogative. But anyhow, Glenn was shooting with this his BurcHowdy version 3 last night, and his Fargo went from a 385 to 920 in 2 racks. So that's saying a lot for the shaft, right? I'm kidding, but he did love it, and I'll put out his words later on. He's basically saying no more carbon shaft, don't even mess with it, just get your BurcHowdy. And that is music to my ears, because carbon fiber is mechanical and dead and plinky, and you gotta feel it, right? Everything is about feeling. So the BurcHowdy is designed to give you the lowest deflection in a wood shaft possible, not because of anything I'm doing, it's just better wood. It's better wood than hard maple. The black birch is stronger, stiffer, lighter, somehow stronger and lighter. It boggles the mind. But anyhow, this is your BurcHowdy update. I'll be making versions 4 and 5 out of this over the next coming months. From here, the shafts are going to have to reacclimate and rehumidify. After they're cooked in here, all the sugars are caramelized. That makes it stiffer. It makes it less prone to warping. But the trick of it is you got to let it rehumidify back to your basic 6-7% before you start to turn them, or else you're going to get warps. Everything you do is going to warp it unless you do it right. And so that's why I experiment with everything I can possibly do, try to figure out what makes it work best. So this is your BurcHowdy update. Love you. Bye-bye.